Alright, welcome back. I just want to make a quick thank you for the reception that I got on my first video back after 3 years. If you have not seen it just yet, you can catch it just at the link above there. Any comments would be appreciated, and if you have any topics that you want to see going forward, leave them in the comments of this video or the other video, and I will endeavour to film them out. Getting on to today's topic, we are going to be covering a review of the TMS Edit That Editing Bootcamp. Now, I've taken a 3-day free course and maybe branching out and taking the 10-day course, which is for the fee of around $200 US. So this editing course comes from the TMS Productions crew. You can find their link down in the description below. I just want to preface this video with the fact that I have no affiliation with them whatsoever, and this is 100% my honest review and opinion. A brief overview of the course is that you are given the assets for a spec ad, you're given the final edited product of the spec ad, and you are doing a method called copy work. It was very popular in the 1900s, and for people that are very hands-on and very creative, this works very well. The main positive for this is that if you are a very hands-on learning person, this method will most likely work for you perfectly, as you don't have long periods of lessons. It's around a 7-minute short video whereby they talk about how they've edited it and what kind of message they were trying to convey on each section. So you can take that as your brief and apply it to the spec ad as though it is a live piece that you have to work on for a client. The main downfall, I would say, of this course is that you don't have the feedback system that you would have with some other tutorial sites. However, if you have friends that are within the editing or shooting community, then you can always pass it to them to have a look over and get some feedback. So overall, I do think that this is a worthwhile course to take. I will be considering buying the entirety of the course. It does seem to be a great resource for those who are just starting out or those that are a little more experienced. I know for sure that I have learned some editing techniques and different ways of approaching things compared to how I would normally do it in my day-to-day role that I used to be in. So if you're looking for a comprehensive route into filmmaking for all levels, the TMS Edit That Editing Bootcamp is definitely one to consider. If you have liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up or leaving a comment down below. Helps with the algorithm. Take it easy, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again.